Well, out there to you. In this video, we're going to use the rule of 70, important idea in finance and economics. So what the rule of 70 is it tells you how long it takes for something to double given some kind of rate of growth, which is 3%. So you take 70 and you take it over whatever the percentage is, and that is time to double. Let me fix the M there. Time to double. Okay, so the first one is it's growing at 3%. So we go 70 over 3, and that's how many years it's going to take to double. 70 over 3. 23 and a third years it will take to double for that economy in size. And then if the growth rate increases to 5, we're going to go 70 over 5. And that's 70 over 5 is 14. So now it only takes 14 years. So it says how many fewer years will it take? So it's the difference here. So we just take 23. Well, it's really 23 and a third. I guess we're going to round that. 23 minus 14, and that is 9. Could have done that not without a calculator. And that is how to use the rule of 70 to solve some problems and think about how long it takes for something to double.